Hey everybody, SkyTrack 13 meteorologist Sean Ash here on a Thursday evening. We've almost made it. Friday's just around the corner. Hey, I want to break down the rainfall today and now, and then more importantly, what's going to be taking place here this weekend. As we said yesterday, heaviest rain numbers more than likely south of 70. There was a little streak there. In Bloomington almost had 1.5 inches. You see Brown and Bartholomew counties probably in the 1 to 2 inch range. Officially at the National Weather Service office in Indy, the first rainfall for August, and it pushes our summer total for meteorological terms, that's June through the end of August, almost 22 inches for only the second time on record in the city. No rainfall this evening. Beautiful time lapse from Moores Lake up in Cicero, and kind of just puts today in a nutshell. We had the clouds around, basically 70 south, man. It was just kind of a nasty wet day, and as we get later in this time lapse, you'll see the clouds beginning to clear, and that was really the scene setter for us here this evening. It is really nice outside. We are going to see a few clouds around. Don't be fooled by what you're seeing on the radar. Those are false echoes, but here we are just before 10 o'clock, and we're comfortably in the 60s. In fact, Crawfordsville already at 61. Okay, now there is a northeast wind, and a lot of times what happens with that, it takes the city's heat, kind of transports it a little bit toward the airport, which is the official gauge for the city, and so it kind of makes the official number a little warmer than what actually will occur tomorrow, and I'll get into that in just a second. But you can see your satellite radar, we're nice and quiet. I think we'll have a few clouds, maybe mid-high level variety. But in the city, I'm going to forecast a low right around 60 degrees. But that will be the exception, not the rule, in my opinion. I think there's going to be plenty of 50s, maybe some low 50s. Marion, Tipton, possibly Lebanon, Westfield. But any way you slice it tomorrow morning, if you like it cool and comfortable, man, you're going to love tomorrow morning. And what a perfect way to kick off the start of the Indiana State Fair. There might be a little patchy fog. I don't expect a lot because the wind is going to probably mix up a lot the air. So we're going to start out near 60, and we'll be in the 70s by 11 o'clock. It's going to be a warm afternoon, but it will be very pleasant because the humidity is going to be very low. I'll forecast a high of about 82 in Indy, and just ideal conditions as we go into the afternoon. Colts training camp practice starts at 1:55 under a canopy of sunshine. If you have tickets to the Tim McGraw concert Friday night at Klipsch, boy, perfect script. Enjoy whatever you're doing tomorrow. So as we work into the weekend here, the air mass is going to be dry. All right, we've kind of established that. So this first little disturbance that tries to push in here tomorrow night, a sprinkle or two, but that'll be few and far between. I think we'll have clouds with sunshine on Saturday, and then as we go into Sunday, that's been the day we've been kind of highlighting for scattered thunderstorms, but I certainly would not cancel any plans. You might just have to move it indoors for an hour or so, but I just, at this point, it could change. I just don't see an all-day rain event, and I think more dry weather than not, but it won't be completely dry, so that's kind of the caveat there. So we'll go 84 on Sunday, 83 Monday, and I'm going highs right around 80 Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It could certainly be a little cooler than that, but even if it's not, I mean, it is going to be really nice, and some of the long-range trends suggest that after Monday, high kind of settles across the Great Lakes and the Ohio Valley, and it may set us up for a really nice stretch of weather heading into next weekend as well. Yeah, it's a long way off, and so we'll see how that plays out. I got the 11 o'clock show. Chuck Lawton's in at 4 a.m. I'm back tomorrow night. We'll guide you through the evening. It's going to be pretty quiet, so if I don't see you tomorrow, have a great weekend, and I will be back in Sunday afternoon as well. Thanks a lot.